Welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. Today we are making moon shrimp cake, 月亮虾饼. This is a Thai-style fusion dish invented by Taiwanese. The moon shrimp cake is a very popular appetizer in Thai restaurant. The taste has a very delicious shrimp flavor, and the outside is very crunchy. Since I have some rice paper left from last time I made the spring roll, this time I will use the rice paper to make moon shrimp cake. Let's get started! Here is everything we need. First step, put the chopped shrimp about 1 inch size into a bowl. Also 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir and mix well. And add 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic. Mix well. And add 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder along with 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Also add the chopped basil, 2 tablespoons. And final, add the 300 grams of fish paste. Mix with the shrimp. Mix the shrimp into the fish paste. Okay, and prepare the rice paper on the cutting board or a surface, and then put half of the shrimp and fish paste mixture on top of the rice paper. Evenly spread. And then cover with another rice paper. Use a fork to poke some holes. Heat up a pan with high heat. Add half cup oil. Rinse the pan with hot oil. And place the shrimp cake inside. Fry it about 3 minutes. Okay, turn the other side. Okay, let's fry it for another 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes, the moon shrimp cake is done. I move to the cutting board. Alright, let's cut it. Ooh, it's very crunchy. Okay, so this is today's Thai-style moon shrimp cake. It smells really good and the outside is very crunchy. It can pair with the sweet and chili sauce and sprinkle some lime juice. It's a perfect match and it only takes 10 minutes to make this amazing appetizer. Make sure to try this recipe at home. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time.